I'm Dr. Stephanie DePaul, and today we're going to talk about your pelvic floor. If your pelvic floor is weak, we have 5 basic exercises that we're going to go through to help you strengthen your pelvic floor. My pelvic floor feels so weak. I should strengthen it. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to get on the table, and we're going to start with 5 deep diaphragmatic breaths. Diaphragmatic breathing is to help you reduce your intra-abdominal pressure and also oxygenate the muscles of your pelvic floor. In order to get a muscle to change, it must be oxygenated. Think of it like a warm-up on a treadmill, okay? So you're gonna put your hands on your inner thighs or the front of your pelvic floor, okay, to feel your pelvic floor, and then you're gonna bring them up to your rib cage, all right? So you're gonna take 5 deep diaphragmatic breaths. So in through your nose, out through your mouth. You're gonna do this 5 times with me. Inhale, exhale. We are reducing the intra-abdominal pressure, and we are oxygenating the muscles of the pelvic floor. So after 5 deep diaphragmatic breaths, we're gonna go into strengthening. We're gonna go into an exercise called a Kegel. So Kegels are done to strengthen our pelvic floor. So you have 2 different types of Kegels. There is one for endurance and there is one for strength. So an endurance Kegel involves a hold, and one to build your strength or your power number involves a quick muscle contraction. So we're gonna go into a Kegel hold for endurance. So I usually have people put their hands on their lower abdomen or on their groin. Some people actually put their hands on their actual pelvic floor, or they'll use a hand mirror to watch the pelvic floor doing the contraction properly, or they'll sit in front of a full-length mirror with their head propped up with a pillow to watch their pelvic floor contracting in order to make sure the brain is talking to the pelvic floor properly. Some people need the visual. I welcome you to do that, or just put your hands down here and you can feel things happening. So we're gonna start with a Kegel hold. We're gonna go for endurance first. So you're gonna pull your pelvic floor in and up like you're trying to stop your flow of urine. So pretend you're in the bathroom and someone came in and you're trying to be super secretive, so you had to stop your pee, pretend like you're not in there, and you had to hold it until they got out of the bathroom, and then you could relax. So we're gonna do that for 10 seconds, 5 times. So pull everything in and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then relax your muscles of your pelvic floor. We're gonna do this 5 times for muscular endurance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then relax. That's 2. So you would do that 5 times. Now we're gonna go into building the strength and the power number of the pelvic floor. So we're gonna do Kegel quicks. So you're gonna pull everything in and up for 1, relax, 2, relax, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pulling in, 8, 9, last one, 10. You're gonna repeat that 3 sets of 10. So you would do 2 more sets there to build the power and the strength number of the pelvic floor up. Then we would go into strengthening the entire pelvic floor, the hips and the glutes. So you're gonna suck in your belly like you're putting on a tight pair of pants. That is the front of your pelvic block. You're gonna pull your pelvic floor in and up like you're trying to stop your flow of urine. Then you're gonna pull your hips up off the table, squeeze your bum at the top. So now you're creating a triple pelvic lock, your belly, your pelvic floor, and your glutes. And then you're gonna lower down and you're gonna relax all of your muscles. You're gonna breathe out with the effort as you lift up, and you're gonna smile. Otherwise it doesn't count. Okay, so suck in your belly, pull in your pelvic floor, breathe out, squeeze your bum, smile, and then lower down and relax everything, okay? So 3 sets of 10 of bridging is gonna be the next exercise. Belly, pelvic floor, squeeze, smile, breathe, and lower down, okay? Final exercise is we're gonna do a clam. So you're gonna require a mini band of some kind. You can put the band around your legs, okay? And you're gonna lay there, pull your belly in, and then you're gonna open the band with your knees apart, keeping your feet together, strengthening the outsides of your hips, holding the belly in to strengthen your transverse abdominis, which will also help with your pelvic floor. These are your 5 basic exercises to strengthen your pelvic floor.